What's up, everybody? How are you doing? And welcome back to another edition of Marketing with Dom. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I honestly don't know what you're doing. And this video is for one reason only. Yeah, this isn't for an education video, but it is to let everybody who's on my YouTube channel learning how to grow their Onlyfans business that we have decided that we needed to get to a point where we could change more people's lives. I mean, the only thing I would love to do is change people's lives the way this business. Sorry, I was making sure that, stuff was on, I don't do no editing. But hey, listen. Focus up. Come back. I'm here to give you the opportunity to join our mastermind. We realize that every single creator has an individual style. It's like you're your independent business and you need to learn what it takes for you to get to the next level, right? You're like, how do people get new subscribers? How do people keep subscribers? How do they sell pay-per-view messages? How do they keep making money? These are questions we consistently got. And we had a course, but guess what? The business continuously keeps moving. And everybody thinks that they don't have to work. But if you're one of those people who put in the work, you're one of the people who are growing on OnlyFans consistently. You're one of the people who are ready to get on OnlyFans. You haven't even begun, but you know you're one of those people who work hard. This is for you. Because I promise you, what's on the other side of hard work and great knowledge is success for all those who prosper in that space. You think the people who do real estate don't know what they're doing? They work hard, but first you gotta know what you're doing to work hard at it to make the next level of income. So let me tell you something. Me and my team have put up a 3-piece understanding of what it takes to be successful. You have to learn how to get traffic. Where are you gonna get traffic from? Where are you gonna get more subscribers from? We got you, okay? Where are you going to convert? What are you going to offer? It's gotta be a value system. You gotta offer something. A lot of people just wanna get people to pay you money. For what? You have to understand what they're paying you for. You do. And we're gonna teach you that. And then, how do you make more sales? By creating great relationships. People are in this business thinking they just gotta produce content. But let me ask you, one video what if there's a fake Batman, you don't know what it's called, and you wanna go watch the movie? You're probably gonna only pay $1 for it. You don't know, you don't wanna do it. But when you know the character, when you know the person, when you get a relationship with the character, you're the creator, you're the character. Me, Mark Radam, I'm a character. But it's me, I'm an individual. I'm allowed to be uniquely myself. And so are you. And this OnlyFans business has allowed you to be able to monetize your fan base, but you have to know what they want to buy, and you have to know what you're willing to sell. So this video is for one reason only. It's for you to know that we decided to launch a mastermind for creators, for agencies, for assistants, to learn how to get in this business and make a little bit of cash. Are you looking to be a full-time creator, a full-time assistant, or a full-time agency? When I first started, we were full-time making $2,000, $3,000 a month. Now, we're doing a lot better than that. And I don't want to sell you by telling you you're gonna get rich like me. We've been in the business for 2+ years now. But to be able to make an easy $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month in this industry, it's very possible, it's fresh. Imagine you being in a business when it first started. Like YouTube, like Instagram, like all these other platforms where people are making thousands and thousands of dollars from, and OnlyFans is a niche that people aren't teaching. And that's why I built this YouTube channel. I was like, man, nobody's telling it. But I'm about to get rich and do it at the same time. But now our time has gotten thin. We are now making more and more money, so our time has gotten really, really thin. And I laugh at people because some of you people are gonna go on the bottom of this video and hate. And I appreciate you too, because you bumped the algorithm. Let's go. So if you're a hater, make sure you tell me how much you hate me. I appreciate every single one of your comments because you made me who I am. And for the ones who really, truly know me, who've built with me over time and know that I'm really trying to take creators to the next level, I want to take 1,000 full-time creators to be making full-time income across this OnlyFans platform. It's not as hard as you think, but you have to know what you're doing to make it easy, all right? So go down below. There's a link down below. I need you to click that link. I need you to join the mastermind. And you need to learn what it takes educationally to be successful. How much would you spend a month to make an extra $2,000 to $3,000 a month? At first, that was the biggest battle a lot of creators had. They're like, oh, I'm only making $2,000. I'm like, well, spend $1,500. They're like, whoa, no. And I'm like, yes. Because we're gonna turn that $1,500 into $2,000, and then $2,000 into $2,500, and then $2,500 into $3,000, and then the $3,000 to $4,000, 4 to 7. It's one of those things where you got to take the risk of the biscuit. There's no guarantees in the world. You are the guarantee. Know it here, when you do this, and you know money's coming back to you, we can buy a promotion right now. We can buy subscribers right now. What do you think I spend on promotions and subscribers? Thousands of dollars a week. Why? Because it makes sense. We understand how the money comes back. If you could give $100 every day and make 200 back, would you? That's a question my mentor asked me that I'm going to ask you. So if you're ready to join the Mastermind course, come work with us, teach you how to do it, do live videos with us, be able to ask questions, get your questions answered from people who've made thousands and thousands of dollars across those platforms on the way to make millions. See, but I'm going to put this out in the world. We are going to be millionaires. I'm putting it out in the world because it's going to come back to me. People who are in the industry, who love what you do, you're doing it well, you're making your business happen. We are going to make millions. I'm not afraid to say that. I used to be very skeptical of it. I used to be like, I'm not really sure, I don't know, but I'm not unsure anymore. When you understand where you're putting your money and how you're getting your money back, you'll spend money every day. So this is for you. I hope you have a blessed, wonderful day. Keep grinding. Take yourself to the next level. Go down below and join the Mastermind now. Go learn the things that people aren't teaching. We wanted to make it affordable for you. We didn't want to charge $1,000, $2,000. And I promise you, me and my team were thinking about it. We thought about it multiple times. Like, yo, we spent thousands and thousands, $10,000+ on learning what we learned. We can't just give it away for cheap. But the fact is, most of you may not do the work. But for the ones who can get started and take it to the next level, this is for you. So go down below and join the Mastermind. And make sure you subscribe to my channel.